Good morning, Aries. Welcome to your sunrise reading for June the 10th through the 20th. Your rune this week is the Perth rune, the rune of fertility and new beginnings. That's a good sign. Now today, since we are outside, we're going to sage. This is a sage stick. When you light sage, the smoke from the sage purifies and removes negativity. So that's what we're going to do first, and we're going to do it for you too. Cleanse and remove negativity. Your stone, and a video will be coming out probably tomorrow about the eclipse, and we're going to learn more about saging. Your Stone People card is Turtle Medicine. Slow and steady wins the race. Your spirit animal is the hawk, which is all about receiving messages. And look what your sign and symbol card is. The feather, healing power, and messages. So be aware of that. Be sensitive to any messages that are coming in. Okay, your first stone is carnelian, warm and joyous, opens the heart, full of life force and success, and protects from personal attacks. So that's awesome. We have the power place, earth, connection, and empowerment. So connecting with the earth, spending time in nature is what is going to empower you and give you energy. The shaman says to trust in higher forces. And the seahorse spirit says to watch and wait. It is not time to make big decisions. Your second stone is onyx. Protective, helps with change, removes stress, helps you to know yourself, heals old wounds, and is malleable, goes with the flow. It is known as the warrior stone. We have peyote ceremony and new abilities. So after you have spent time in nature and you trust the higher forces, then new abilities will come to you. Guardian angel reminds you that you are never alone. And cow spirit, the miracles are endless. Yes, they are. Every day. If you woke up this morning, miracle. Chrysocolla is your third stone. It's so beautiful. I love chrysocolla. It is all about compassion. It opens the heart to love. It points to opportunities, cleanses the aura, and aligns the chakras. It is known as the Heals Broken Hearts stone. And look what we have. Rites of passage and change. So first of all, immersing yourself in nature, trusting the process, brings in new abilities and change. The star ancestor says to follow the voice of your soul, not other people, not the world around you, but your soul. That may be the change that occurs. And hawk spirit, another hawk, let spirit be your guide, not other people. So you got two hawks and the feather. That means you will be receiving messages. And it's really important, like I said, to be sensitive enough to be listening, to be in a place like in nature where those messages can come to you. Okay, and then we're going to see what Sister Moon adds. Have faith in your dreams. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.